Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the phone language. Change the default language on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. By default, set the phone language as a English on almost all device, depend on your country you live. So if you want to change the default phone language, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Here you can search for the language also or scroll down until the system. Tap on a system. At the top, you can see the language and region option. So tap on the language and region. Now at the top, you can find the system language. Tap on it. Here you can see by default set the English India in my Pixel 10 device. So it will depend on your country. To add a language or change the language, tap on add a language. Now here you can see the list of suggested language you want to send. Here you can see the list of different languages, all languages on your device. So select any language you want to set on your device. So here we select currently Hindi. Now set at the top. So long press it and move at the top. Now you can see change system language to default language. Tap on change option to change the default language or change the font language on your Pixel 10 series. Now you can see change your font language on your device. So quite easy to change the font language or add a language to your Google Pixel 10 or any other device. To get back the default, again go to the same languages option, long press the language and move at the top you want to set on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and other device. So quite easy to change the language on your Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.